Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a local repository and telling Git who you are. Run Git init in the project folder, then git config global user. Name and user. Email so commits are attributable. Once done, generate an SSH key gen ted 25519, and copy it to your clipboard. This is faster and more secure than HTTPS credentials. Make sure your working tree has at least one commit, so GitHub can accept a remote. Stage files and run git commit m to create that initial snapshot. Next, you link the local repo to GitHub and transfer history. On GitHub, create a new empty repository, choose visibility and name. Then, in your terminal, add the remote using the SSH URL, git remote add origin git at GitHub. com username/repo. Git. After confirming origin with git remote v, push your branch. Git push u origin main. This sets up stream so future git push and git pull work without extra args. If you use HTTPS, substitute the HTTPS URL and be ready to authenticate with a token. To finish, verify the link and make it robust. Confirm with git ls remote origin or open the GitHub page and see your commits and branches. Make the pushed branch the default if needed. Once set, enable branch protection rules and add collaborators. If push fails, troubleshoot authentication. Ensure your SSH key is loaded into the SSH agent and associated with your GitHub account, or use a personal access token for HTTPS with correct scopes. Finally, rerun git push after fixing the auth issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.